The third one is 67 gram. Third one is 67 gram. For the 67 gram letter, you have to, first of all, you have to split this 67 in 20s. So the first 20, second it makes 40, then it makes 60, then it is 7. The whole makes 67. The whole makes 67. Now, for the first 20, you have to pay 5 rupees. The second additional 20, you have to pay 2 rupees. And the next 20, you have to pay 2 rupees. And for the next 7, you have to pay 2 rupees. So, the answer will be 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 5 to 7, 9, 9 to 11. 11 11 rupees is the answer. 11 rupees is the answer for the 67 gram letter. Got it? Next one is 123 gram letter. The fourth one. The fourth one and the last one. The fourth one and the last one. The question is 123. 123 gram letter. You you have to pay what amount? Ronak Soni, please put your mic off. Ronak Soni, please put your mic off. Sunaina, you have to also put your mic off. The next one is 123 gram letter. So for the 123 gram, here you have to split this 123 into 20s. So for the first 20, this is not from your book. This is not from your book. The second 20, third 20, and fourth 20. How many? 20, 20, 40, 40, 20, 60, 60, 20, 80, 80, and 20, 100, 100 and 20, 120, 120 and 3, it becomes 123. It becomes 123. So now you have to pay for the first 20 5 rupees. 5 rupees for first 20. For the second 20 you have to pay 2 rupees. For the third you have to pay 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees and 2 rupees. So here we can see 5 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2's are there. 6 2's are 12, 12 and 5, 17. 12 and 5, 17. Rupees 17 is the answer. Rupees 17 is the answer. I hope you got it. Okay. Next one is par. Next one is the parcel. What will we pay for the parcel? So for first 50 gram, as you can see, in letters you have pay for 20 grams. 20 grams you have to pay 5 rupees. But in parcels you have to pay 5 rupees for 50 grams. So and for additional every 50 gram you have to pay 3 rupees. You have to pay 3 rupees. So here it is what it is letter. It is letter. But if it is a parcel, we have to send a parcel of 120 gram parcel. Then what we have to pay? What we have to pay for 123 gram parcel? So Now we have to split it into 50s. Split it into 50s. The first 50, second 50, it makes 100, and next 23. 50, now it is less than 50, so write it as a whole. So for the first 50 you have to pay 5 rupees. 5 rupees you have to pay 5 rupees, and for the next additional 50 you have to pay 3 rupees, and for the additional 50 you have to pay. Now here is 23, but we have to pay 3 rupees. We have to pay 3 rupees. So the total cost of the parcel is 5 plus 3 plus 3. That means 5 and 3, 8. 8 and 11. 11 is the half total. So you can see, if you have to send a letter of 123 gram, you have to pay 17 rupees. But if you have to send a parcel of 123 gram, you have to pay only 11 rupees. So there is a difference between parcel and letter. Okay. Now, look at the postal rates given in the chart. You have to look, uh, by the way, we have already looked into the rates and the items. So, answer the given question. The first one is, how much you have to pay for stamps on letter weighing 50 gram. For 50 gram, it is very easy to calculate. For 50 gram, that means 50 gram means, split it into 20. So first 20 plus 20 plus 10, it makes 50 na, it makes 50. So for 20 we have to pay 5 rupees. 5 rupees. At the next 20 we have to pay 2 rupees, and for the next 10 we have to pay 2 rupees. So the total amount we have to pay, the total amount we have to pay, letter weighing 50 gram, for stamps, payment for stamps is 5 plus 2 plus 2, that means 5 plus 2 plus 2, that means 9 rupees. That means 9 rupees. 9 rupees is the answer. So let us move forward to the second question. Akash want to send a parcel of math magic textbook. Now we have to send a parcel. In previous question we sent a letter. Now in this question we have to send a parcel. So in word problems you can see, it is clearly written the parcel and the letter. So we can differentiate from these terms and put the rate accordingly. Okay. So, so you have to, the Akash want to send a parcel of math magic textbook. What is the weight of math magic textbook? The weight of math magic textbook is 200 gram. Is 200 gram. So 200 gram book you have to send. So what will be the price? So let us break this 200 into 50s. So 200, since it is parcel, that is why we are splitting it into 50s. If it is a letter we have to split it into 20s. So since it is parcel we have to split it into 15. So for the 200 gram parcel we split it into 50, 50, 100, it becomes 100, 50, 150, and another 50 makes 200. Okay. It is, I think, my screen is not visible too. Oh, yeah, it is visible. It is visible. So, for the first 50, we have to pay rupees 5. For the second, we have to pay 3. Third, 3, and fourth, 3. So, cost of hosting the book is 5. Put your mic off, Arham Ali and Rasi. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 5, 3, 8, 8 and 3, 11, 11 and 3, 14. No, 14. 14 rupees. Okay, good. 14 is the answer. 14 is the answer. Yes, clearly it is 14 rupees. Answer is 14 rupees. Move forward to the next question. The question number 3. What is the question? Read weight shown in the picture. The weight shown in the picture. Find out the cost of sending a parcel on that weight. So you have to read out the weight. You have to read out the weight. Hunayana, put your mic off. Hunayana, put your mic off. Hmm. The next one, uh, clearly, you have to clearly find the first of all, you have to note down the weight in weighing machine. Here is weighing machine. The what will the weight? What is the weight shown in this machine? Here is 200, 200 gram, and here is 250 gram. So 210, 220, 230. So 230 is, I hope, is the 230 gram. 230 gram. I think so. 230 gram. Parcel weight is parcel weight is 200. Clearly you can see in machine. In machine it is 230. How can we say? Because it is 200, it is 210, it is 220, it is 200. It will be there. It can be. It can. In your book it is different, and in my screen it is different. But you have to see in the picture and write down the weight. You see in the picture and write down the weight. What is in your book? What is in your book? You can write that. Okay, you can write that. So here the weight is 230 gram, since the arrow is on 230. Okay, in your book it can be different, it may be different, but you have to write as in your book, as in your book. Okay, so as in your book you can write, and you can solve accordingly, or you can write as written in my screen. The page number is 146. 146. Cost of stamp. So, here we have to solve it. Answer, solution number 3. Solution number 3. So, first of all, uh, Parcel weight, parcel weight to become D. Weight is 230 gram. 230 gram. And cost parcel, cost of parcel, put your mic off. Cost of parcel is split this 230, split this 230 in 50s, in 50s. 230. First 50, it becomes 100, it becomes 150, it becomes 150, and now it becomes 200, and this, oh sorry, we have to write here 50, and here is 30. So all this makes all this makes 230 gram. So for the first 50 we have to pay 5 rupees, the second 50 we have to pay 3 rupees, and third 50 we have to pay 3 rupees, fourth 50 we have to pay 3 rupees, and next one, for the next one we have to pay 3 rupees. So the cost will be, the cost of parcel will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 3 for the 12 and 5 17. Rupees 17. Rupees 17 is the answer. Rupees 17 is the answer. Good. 17 is the answer. Yes. I hope you understand. Hmm? Yes, Sashi, it is. It is 17. Yes, Sashi, it is 17. You are right. The next one. Here is the story. What is the story? Let us see. Rahul needs stamps of rupees 25 for his parcel. He went to post office, only stamps of 1, 2 and 5 and 10 were there that time. Using those stamps, in how many different ways can he make 25? Can you show 5 different ways what is the highest parcel he can send using rupees 25? So here are 3 questions. The first one, how many different ways can he make 25? The first one. And the second, 5 different ways to show the second one. The third one, can he send using highest parcel, can he send using 25 rupees? So we will solve these we will solve these all. The first one is, how many different ways can he make 25? So you have to make rupees 25 stamps, rupees 25 stamp, rupees 25 stamp. What are the ways? What are the ways? You have rupees 1, rupee 1. Huh. It is very important. For 1 rupee, we will write symbol RE. RE. And more than one, we have to write the symbol RS. It is notable. We have to note it down that for rupees 1 we will write the symbol RE, and for rupees more than 1 we write symbol RS. Okay, this is the difference. The next one is rupees 10. These are the available postcard. Oh, sorry, postcard, postal stamp. No, postal stamps. These are the available postal stamps. Okay. So to make 25, you have to put all 25 stamps of rupees 1. The first one. You put all 25 stamps one. Okay. And is the first way. The second way is you have to put 10, 10, and 5. You have to put 12 stamps of 2 and 1 stamp of 1. Okay. This is also you can use. Third one is you can use 5 stamps of rupees 5. You can use 1 stamp of 10 and 3 stamps and 3 stamps of 5. The fifth one is you can use you can use what you can use one, sorry, many ways are there, many ways are there. You can use 2 stamps of 10 and 5 stamps of rupees. हाँ समझ नहीं है, क्यों समझ नहीं आ रहा?